Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm making a simple yet beautiful heart wreath for autumn. So you'll need florals and you'll need a wreath vine. I got this one from the range in the UK for £3.99. So yeah, grab yourself a brew and we'll get started. So once you've decided which way you want your wreath, so I decided to hang it from the smaller part of the larger part of the heart and put the florals down at the bottom. I then picked which florals I wanted to start with. I started off with this bunch of they look a bit like a lily, a daisy, and then I just cut off the stem, which was a bit of a task, but once I'd got that done, I just placed those down where I wanted them, and I did that with all the florals. If I needed to cut them, I cut them, and then I just placed them where I wanted them. So I had taken out some blue flowers, but I wasn't so sure, so I didn't use them. Now here I got the flowers positioned where I wanted them, but I needed one more, so I tried to cut them off the stem one-handed. Watch the struggle. So once you have the flowers positioned where you want them, I just go along and use a zip tie and zip tie them to the wreath frame. Not only is it secure, but it also means that you can reuse the wreath frame if you wanted to. So in the summer you could take off the autumn flowers and put on summer flowers. It just makes it simple and easy. So before I give it a final tighten and I cut off the stem of the actual zip tie, I just make sure that everything is where I want it and then give it a really good secure pull and then just cut it off. Now I decided it wasn't autumnal enough for me, so I wanted to add some more flowers. So because I'd already secured the zip tie, I decided to go in with some hot glue and I just placed these where I wanted them and pushed them into the wreath vine underneath the flowers. It's simple and it's easy to do. Just be careful with the hot glue. And then it was time to make a bow. So I've said before, I got this little bow maker off Amazon. It was about £6.99. It's not one of the big fancy ones. I wish I did have one of those actually, because they have a little slot on that you can put your roll of ribbon on, which would make it so much easier. But I just go in and I make four loops for the bow, and as you can see, when I put the ribbon down, I'm just twisting it so that it comes back onto the nice side of the ribbon. This is burlap ribbon that I'm using, so it's not particularly a nice side, but I just got in the habit of doing that. And this is where I wander off, going trying to find some decent scissors. Still not found any. I tried these ones. They did cut, but I've had these for years. So yeah, and then I have this spur piece of ribbon that I wanted to use as well, so I just popped that in on top, and then I secured that with a pipe cleaner and just lifted it gently off the bow maker and just wrapped the pipe cleaner down. This also means that when you secure the ribbon on the I'm making a mess of this. Anyway, if you secure the bow onto your wreath with the pipe cleaner, it means you can also change out the ribbon as well. And yeah, I'm just going in and I'm dovetailing. So as you can see here, I'm just wrapping it round the back of the wreath, the grapevine, and just securing it, and then I will cut the remainder off and I'll glue down the edges just to make sure that they don't scratch the door. So what do you think, guys? Yeah, it took less than 20 minutes all in all, and I think it turned out beautiful. So if you're new around here, please go back and have a look at my previous videos. There is a playlist of wreaths, especially if that's what you want to do. And yeah, please do help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to like and comment, and of course subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.